So the question that's been asked is about how to capture the MIDI output. So I'm just going to set this up to be a C that will play for the whole bar. So there we go. And what you need to do is to set up your second MIDI channel. So we set its input to operator. I'm going to drop that out of record, put it into record. You can see here that every time the note plays, you can see some MIDI activity. Okay, so we're going to put that into record. +3, -2, -1, -5, 0. And then obviously you record for as long as you need. Looking at the track, what we can see is exactly what we put into the pitch window, but this time captured as MIDI output. Please remember to like and subscribe, and see you next time.